or pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Pumpkin cinnamon rolls. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this 3-pound pie pumpkin and turn it into some puree. As a kid, this was like my favorite part of carving pumpkins. What's up, everybody? Back from camping. Today's video should be kind of short because I'm going to use what I make in today's video to make the next video. So, today's video, we are going to make pumpkin puree out of this pie pumpkin. And then that pumpkin puree is either going to be turned into a pumpkin pie or pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Pumpkin cinnamon rolls. So, let me know in the comments if you would rather me make a homemade pumpkin pie using this pumpkin or pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Yeah, let me know. Anyway, this is kind of a goofy video, but I've always thought it was really cool that you can obviously make pumpkin puree from a pumpkin, and I've always wanted to try it. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna take this 3-pound pie pumpkin and turn it into some puree. So I've set my oven to 350. I'm gonna chop the top off of this guy, scoop the guts out, cut it in half, put it on a baking sheet, and bake it for like an hour. So I keep doing this because it's like a ball. And Calvin is like, I wanna play with it. Anyway, with that being said, let's go scoop some guts. Okay. I apologize if you can hear Calvin in the background clicking, but he likes to walk around. So, we're just gonna hack the top off. Maybe next year I'll grow the pie pumpkin. Yeah, that's good. And then, just gonna do that. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna scoop the guts out. Okay. It's actually not too much guts. As a kid, this was like my favorite part of carving pumpkins. Actually, yeah, there's a decent amount of guts. Okay, so I got most of the guts out, but I'm gonna just cut her in half. And then we'll kind of clean it out better. This is a good time, for sure. Also, oh, there we go. I saved some of the seeds because I'm going to try to grow this pumpkin next year. So, it's just going to save some of the seeds. And I'm just going to kind of scrape out more of this because it's easier now. But I've cut it in half. And then I'm going to put it face side down on my baking tray. My cookie sheet, whatever, and cook it for like 50 minutes and then see. Alright, seems good. Just put one here, put the other one here. We're just gonna bake it. all right, I have this in the oven for about an hour. It's steaming hot. I'm gonna let it cool off. Ooh. I'm gonna let it cool off so I can actually touch it, and then I'm gonna peel the outside off, and then we're gonna puree it, and then we're gonna call it good. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so this is pretty much cooled off, and I already peeled this one, and it came off really easily. So I'm gonna just kind of break it up and put it in this Tupperware over here, and then I'm gonna blend it up with my like stick blender. You can food process it. That's what it says. I'm not gonna do that because I just don't want to get my food processor out. So I'm gonna peel it, and it's actually like way easier to peel than I thought it would be. At least the other half that I just peeled was easy. This half is not as, oh, there we go. It's pretty satisfying. Look at that. Yeah, that was easy. Look at that. I'm gonna get these chunks of skin off because I don't want any skin. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That sounds so good. Okay, I'll be back when this is mostly processed. Okay, so I processed it for just a couple minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty smooth. I think what I'm going to do with it right now, here, hold up, time out. So I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put it in a freezer bag and put it in my freezer, because you can keep it in this container, like an airtight storage container in your fridge for 4 days. And that's longer than, or I'm going to be using this like in like a week, 5-6 days, something like that. So anyway, like I said in the beginning, let me know what you want me to do with this. Should I make a pie? Should I make some cinnamon rolls? I'm up for any other suggestions that you may have. If not, if you guys don't tell me what you want me to do with this, I'll probably just ask Jonathan, and then I'll do whatever Jonathan says to do with this, whatever he prefers. So I'm gonna put this in a freezer bag and store it, and then we'll go make something with it. Thanks for watching. I think it was a pretty short video. I don't know, I tend to ramble and get into detail because that's what I do. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.